pain?
The pain of being dead.
Baby
I never ever I forget my story. My face no sad, but inside I upset.
the streets since I was young. Streets killed me.
You gave her $20 back.
I gave her $20, she gave me some plastic.
'Cause nobody's needing that crackin' cocaine. There's terrible trouble behind it. And sooner or later you're burning your brain, making a mess of your mind. Just a snort or a smoke in your greed, that's all you care about. But your life is a joke, and you need someone to help you out.
You know what dog food tastes like? Do you? It tastes just like it smells. Delicious.
'Cause nobody's needing that crackin' cocaine. There's terrible trouble behind it. And sooner or later you're burning your brain, making a mess of your mind. 'Cause nobody's needing that crackin' cocaine. There's terrible trouble behind it. And sooner or later you're burning your brain, making a mess of your mind.
I can definitely say he was the absolute worst anti-drug speaker in the history of drugs.
I know what they call that stuff, like that little like caramel band. Yeah, stop playing. I mean, they can't keep going right now. Tear it up,